Hello dear student, once again welcome in this class. In last video we have discussed about the acid and the Arrhenius concept of acid and also the classification of acid, and we have classified according to source of origin, according to strength, according to concentration, etc. Okay, now very important topic we are going to study today. How will we prepare acid and what is the general method of preparation of acid? We will discuss here only four methods: by direct synthesis, by the action of water on non-metallic oxide, by the displacement, and by the oxidation of metals. Okay. Now, in this topic, we will discuss one by one. First of all, by direct synthesis. By first number, by direct synthesis. By direct synthesis. In this method, we can directly obtain acid by treating some non-metals. Okay, from non-metals. We have written here from non-metals. Okay, now when hydrogen and chlorine and hydrogen and bromine react to each other to form HCl, okay, like here. In this reaction, when hydrogen is treated with chlorine to form HCl, okay. Once again, when hydrogen is treated with bromine to form HBr, to balance the elements in both sides, we have to multiply this product by 2. 2 hydrogen, 2 chlorine, 2 chlorine, 2 hydrogen. Okay, balance equation. Now same here, twice HBr. Hydrochloric acid, hydrobromic acid, and you can see here directly how we obtain acid by non-metals and in direct method. This is the direct, very simple method. Second one is by the action of water on non-metallic oxide. By the action of, second one is by the action of water, on non-metallic oxide. Very important method. And in this method, when non-metallic oxide react with water or dissolve in water to form acid, like when sulfur dioxide react with water to form sulfurous acid, when sulfur trioxide react with water to form sulfuric acid, when carbon dioxide react with water to form carbonic acid, when phosphorus pentoxide react with water to form phosphoric acid. You can see the example, like when sulfur dioxide, and this is non-metallic oxide because sulfur is non-metal and oxygen combined with sulfur, so it is called non-metallic oxide. Sulfur dioxide is a non-metallic because sulfur is non-metal and oxygen combined to sulfur, so it is non-metallic oxide. Like sulfur trioxide, also non-metallic, carbon dioxide, also non-metallic. Okay, like this phosphorus pentoxide, we are written here P2O5, also phosphorus is a non-metal and oxygen combined with sulfur, with carbon, with phosphorus, and sulfur, phosphorus and carbon are non-metal. So these are called non-metallic oxide, and then water is react with this non-metal oxide to form H2SO3 in first case, known as sulfurous acid. sulfurous acid, not sulfuric. Okay. Second one is when water react with H2O, sulfur trioxide treated with water, once again it forms sulfuric acid, H2SO4. It is called sulfuric acid. Okay. When carbon dioxide react with H2O to form carbonic acid, H2CO3, means carbonic acid. Okay. Next is when phosphorus pentoxide treated with water to form phosphoric acid, H3PO4. We know that in last video we have studied about this acid, phosphoric acid. The formula of phosphoric acid is H3PO4. Now to balance these reactions, you can multiply these reactions by 3 and by 2. Okay, the reaction is balance. Okay, this is known as phosphoric acid. Clear? So you can see when non-metallic oxide treated with water to form acid. Okay, this is the another method of preparation of acid. Okay, next and very important, next is by displacement reaction or by displacement Okay, in this reaction when low volatile acid treated with some salt like sodium chloride, sodium nitrate to form high volatile acid like HCl and HNO3. Okay, see here. In this reaction, when low volatile acid H2SO4 treated with some salt like sodium chloride, okay, H2SO4, once again sodium nitrate NO3 to form high volatile acid like HCl and NaHSO4. Okay, in this case also HNO3 and nitric acid NaHSO3, sodium hydrogen sulfate, or you can say sodium bisulfate. Sodium hydrogen sulfate. The name of this compound is sodium hydrogen sulfate. Okay, and you can see this is a low volatile. Sulfuric acid is low volatile acid and HCl and HNO3 is high volatile acid. That means high volatile acid can be prepared, can be formed with the action of low volatile acid with some salts like sodium chloride, sodium nitrate. Okay. Next one is by the oxidation of non-metals. Next and last method, by the oxidation of by the oxidation of non-metals. Okay, in this method some non-metals when treated with concentrated nitric acid act as an oxidizing agent, and HNO3 very good oxidizing agent, so it oxidizes non-metals in to form acid. When sulfur is treated with concentrated nitric acid to form sulfuric acid, water and nitrogen dioxide. Okay, see here when sulfur is treated with HNO3, clear, to form H2SO4 and sulfuric acid, H2SO4 and also water H2O and NO2 nitrogen dioxide. You can see here oxygen provide, nitric acid provide oxygen to form sulfuric acid, and now balance these reactions by multiplying it with 6 and it with 6. The number of hydrogen you can say 6 3s are 12. The balance this reaction by 2. Okay, this compound by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 6. 6 hydrogen, 6 hydrogen. You can see here sulfur 1, sulfur 1. Okay, 6 3s are 18 oxygen and 4 to 8, 8 and 12. Okay, 4 to 6 and 12, 18 oxygen. Okay, this reaction is balanced. Next is when phosphorus, the another non-metal, when treated with same kind of acid, oxidizing acid, so it will when treated with it, when react with phosphorus, it forms phosphoric acid, water and phosphoric acid H3PO4 and water H2O and nitrogen dioxide like this NO2. Now balance this reaction by multiplying with 5 nitric acid and 5 and 2. Okay. Okay. Now we have prepared in this video the all method include in your syllabus. There are 4 methods by direct synthesis. In these reactions we will treat non-metals like HCl, like hydrogen and chlorine, hydrogen and bromine to form HCl and HBr. In this reaction by the action of water on non-metal, we have seen in these reactions when sulfur dioxide treated with water to form sulfurous acid, when sulfur trioxide treated with water to form sulfuric acid, when carbon dioxide treated with water to form carbonic acid, when phosphorus pentoxide treated with water to form phosphoric acid, etc. Okay, displacement reaction also we have seen, and the bioxidation reaction is this reaction we treated like this. Okay, thank you, all the best. Next video we will discuss about the physical properties and chemical properties of acid falls. Thank you, all the best.